I will try to recite one beautiful poem, Nightingale, by Robert Bridges. Many English poets have paid tribute to Nightingale, but this is where not only the idea is beautiful, but Robert Bridges explains the yearnings unattained by the nightingale, and though listeners feel the songs are very sweet, but the nightingale tells something else. Let us listen to the poem. Beautiful must be the mountains when she come, and bright in the fruitful valleys the streams wherefrom ye learn your song. Where are those starry woods? Oh, might I wander there among the flowers which in that heavenly year bloom the year long. Nay, barren are those mountains and spin the streams. Our song is the voice of desire that haunts our dreams, a throe of the heart whose pining visions dim, forbidding hopes profound. No dying cadence nor long sigh can sound for all our art. Alone, aloud in the raptured ear of man, we pour our dark nocturnal secret, and then, as night is withdrawn from the sweet springing meads and bursting boughs of May, dream, while the innumerable choir of the day dawn welcomes the dawn.